Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miesha and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my wash day scalp scrub routine from start to finish. And this is the ending result. So I'm going to take you guys along, and dedicated is the word because baby, 3 o'clock in the morning. Y'all see the gunk. Got to get it together. So I washed my hair and did a scalp scrub treatment, and how I achieved those curls was with some flexi rods that was really pretty and bouncy. So yeah, back to reality, and I'm looking a mess. It's no secret, y'all know I keep my braids in for months. Lint check, period. Y'all, look at all of the new growth. It's nasty. My scalp was really itchy. It was just, I was over it. So y'all, this was very much needed and well overdue. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the revamp. I don't know why I'm dancing. Like, this process was just not gonna be tedious, and I was irritated as afterwards. But yeah, so I'm gonna start off by taking down these nasty braids, y'all. Don't ask me how long they've been in. Months, because the last time I told y'all how long my hair was up, y'all clowned me. So just know these braids been up months, okay? And it's time to take them down. So y'all can see all of the debris, the nasty stuff that just got stuck into the hair or stuck into the braids. So yeah, we just gonna separate that by pulling it apart. Y'all, I really hate taking down my hair. My hair is so long and it gets really tangled because it's suffering for dryness. Y'all can probably see. But and I'm tender-headed. Too many negatives. If you are new here, hey boo, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Ooh. And if you are a returning subscriber, what's good, what's poppin', sis? Y'all can see it in my face. I was not pleased with taking down my hair. Do y'all have fun taking down y'all braids? Because everybody be in my comments acting like it's just a crime to keep your braids in. And honey, I just ain't got time. Look at the growth, baby. I be cutting my edges, but it just don't work. They always grow back. Lint check once again. So y'all, I'm going in with some leave-in conditioner and trying to use this to furthermore detangle my hair. It smells so good, y'all. So good. So I'm using this to detangle my hair, and then I'm combing through with this wide tooth comb. So the faces are gonna be there. I just want to, give y'all a heads up beforehand because I'm tender-headed, and ooh, it just was too much trying to comb this out, y'all. But just go ahead and watch me detangle my hair. I'll be back.
Too old to put on a show. Now I found a home. I'm filling my soul up with devotion and stardust. I'm bold, got it all in control. Now I know what I want.
So of course, after I detangle, I go ahead and twist my hair up into some little 2-strand twists just to keep this out of the way so I can keep my hair detangled, of course. And these are 4 that I've already done off camera. Murday baby, period. Y'all crack myself up. Anyways, this is a close-up of me taking down these braid, and y'all, it gets serious here because y'all can I'm gonna let y'all watch it. But yeah, it was 3 o'clock in the morning, and baby, I was tired. At this point, I was very much over it. You can see it all in my face. I did not know it was this late. But yeah, back to taking down these braids, y'all. And comment down below and let me know how y'all take down y'all braids, what y'all use, how long y'all keep y'all braids up, because is it just me, or I don't like doing my hair. I don't like doing my hair, y'all. But look at the gunk. Look at it. I actually like looking at stuff like this. Y'all can call me weird, but I take that back. Don't call me weird because ain't nothing weird about it. It's just fascinating. But yeah, it looks so nasty, y'all. But yeah, the last section, and we're gonna go back in and detangle with the leave-in conditioner. Y'all, honestly, I'm gonna have to get me a new leave-in conditioner. So if y'all can, comment down below good leave-in conditioners for dry hair, low porosity hair, because I'm thinking the cream is just not for me. Cream leave-ins, I don't know. What y'all use? Let me know.
You know I'm not a girl anymore, and I'm not going anywhere. I got a good guy. He's blessed with ease and care.
After hours of detangling, this is all of the nasty hair that came out. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pin my hair up because y'all, I was so tired. My daughter was still woke. I was over it, so I had to reset and do this for another day. But I'm saying good night for now, and then we're gonna be back. Boom, I'm back. So y'all, it's time to do a wash and cleanse on my hair. So I like to get my hair really soaking wet because my hair hates water. It's sad, it's crazy to say, you might not believe it, but my hair absolutely hates water. So I have to get it really wet. So today I'm using Zion Health Ancient Clay Shampoo Bar, and it's the pink grapefruit. What? The pink grapefruit healing from the earth purifying shampoo bar. Y'all, that was a mouthful, but I'm using this shampoo bar, and it's shaped like a soap, and I just use it directly on the root of my hair. Usually when I shampoo my hair, I never really focus on the ends of my hair. I always focus on the top of my hair and then just let the soap run down. So y'all, as y'all can see, it's really lathering up on the second wash, other than the first, because again, my hair hates water, so I had to give it time. But here I'm just rinsing it out, and y'all can see like I'm barely touching my hair. Like, I hate how the shampoo scripts my hair and makes it feel so dry. I hate that, y'all. But here I'm going in with the scalp scrub because y'all know I just had these braids in for a very long time, and a scalp scrub is very much needed. I'm using Zion Health Deep Cleansing Scalp and Hair Scrub in Vanilla Coconut. On wet hair, I apply this to my scalp and like massage in circular motions to really work that in and get all of that debris and gunk out of my scalp. And then once I feel like my scalp has been purified and had a good detox, I work it through the ends of my hair to like strip all of the nasty gunk that could be left on that as well. Y'all, I really love this scrub. It's not only for your scalp, it's for your hair as well. That's a 2-for-1. And it did not make my hair feel nasty and brittle like shampoo does. It has really good slippage, and the lathering is top tier. So after detoxifying my scalp, I go in with a scalp nutrition serum, and this one is from Zion Health. It's their intense scalp revitalizer with nourishing oils, and it's also vegan. All of their products are cruelty free, so I really love that. Very good for natural hair. I will have all of the information for purchasing these products down below in the description box. And y'all know I got a coupon code, Miesha10, to save some money on your order. So yeah, y'all go ahead and click the link in the description so y'all can get y'all some and get on this hair care journey, okay? So I just applied that all throughout my hair, y'all. Honestly, I could have parted my hair and put this in, but my hair was so dry, I just didn't even want to deal with it. So that's the way I did it. And then I put some on my little fingertips and kind of like worked everything in, massage, do a little scalp massage. A scalp massage. Y'all, do scalp massages. It really helps with the flow of your blood in your head, and I don't know, it just makes your hair grow. Ask me how my hair grew so long. Just do what I do. That's all you gotta do. Do everything you gotta do and your hair gonna grow. Y'all don't do that. But yeah, scalp massages are really good. And I'm fresh out the shower. And y'all see my hair? It's dry. I did not dry my hair, y'all. My hair hates water. It's already dry. Zion Health, they ain't send me no conditioner or a product that will bring moisture into my hair strands, not just my scalp. I could have asked for it, but at the time, I wasn't thinking. So, it was just dry. That's sad, ain't it? But I went in with some Flexi Rods. This brought back a little moisture because, of course, I had to do my Flexi Rod set. If you guys want to see an in-depth video of how I Flexi Rod my hair with all of the products and how I get it from start to finish, comment down below and let me know if this is something that y'all would be interested in. Because when I posted this on Instagram, everybody went ham. And Facebook. So I didn't know that y'all like stuff like this. But if you do, comment down below and let me know. I effed up because look, I think I got a bald spot. I put these Flexi Rods in my hair too tight. Don't you ever do that. Don't ever. You can see the redness, and like I had multiple spots like this throughout my head. So if y'all see me doing my hair in later videos and I got bald spots, just don't ask where they came from, okay? So after I remove all of the Flexi Rods, I put oil over my hands to try to prevent frizz while I separate my curls. Some of them were still frizzy. I think because I separated too much, but they still were cute, so yeah.
Wanna know me? I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down. When I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything.
That completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like this video if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Don't forget to check the description box for the product link for Zion Health. And also a coupon code so that you can save money off your order. Comment down below and let me know y'all's thoughts. Give me some hair care tips and also some product recommendations. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.